I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stopping the accessibility and assistant voice sources so the talking stops immediately. First, go to Settings, Accessibility, and turn Talk Back off. This ends continuous spoken feedback. Once done, open Settings, Sound, Text-to-Speech Output to identify the active engine. Do not switch engines yet. Then open the Google app, tap More, Settings, Voice, and turn off Voice Match and hands-free options so the assistant won't speak automatically. Next, you stop the system text-to-speech engines and app-level readers that produce speech. Go to Settings, Apps, Show System Apps, find the text-to-speech engine in use, then force stop or disable it. This prevents synthesized audio. Meanwhile, open Google Assistant settings and set assistant voice or response level to silent or minimal feedback so it won't speak answers aloud. Also check Chrome and any reader apps, disabling Read Aloud or per site accessibility features so web content won't be read. Finish by restarting your device to apply changes and clear lingering audio sessions. This often stops any persistent speech. After reboot, test by invoking Assistant or opening a web page that previously spoke. Confirm there's no audible response. If speech continues, revoke microphone permission from suspected apps or uninstall recent voice-related apps, then reboot again. If needed, reset accessibility preferences in settings as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.